Hello everyone, this is Bruce speaking. Now I will show you our CD320 series, the assembling process. You can see we fixed the heat sink with the housing, inside housing. And now we have fixed the temperature sensor cable with the heat sink. And then we just screwed the Cooper terminal on the heat sink. Here is the step 2. We just install the main board, the drive board, the DC board, and the AC board here, and fix them. You can see the 6 screw here, and the 2 one. The more screw driving work on the drive board. Every corner we just fix 1 screw. Fix the DC board and AC board with screw. Step 3 here, we just paste the anti-dust, anti-water, anti-leakage paint. Here we fixed the fan for the device and connect the cable. Now we just do the electricity conduction test to make sure the electricity conduction is good. Here is the step 4, and we just install the control board first and put the housing, install the keyboard and the cover for the fan. And the first step here, we just install the running tester cable with the finished product to test the finished product is running well before we deliver it out. Here is the running test cable and the collector. Thank you.